Have you ever had period sex?
Isn't it gross?
Have you ever wondered what period sex is?
Period sex is literally just sex that you have if you're on a period or someone that you're sleeping with is also on their period. So period sex can include all types of sex, intercourse and outer course. So intercourse could be penetrative sex with a penis or a sex toy. Outer course could include also a sex toy, rubbing of genitals together, oral sex or anything with your hands. This could also include grinding.
Period sex is completely normal. It's not gross or unhygienic.
Like all sex, there's a risk to getting STIs or bloodborne viruses, and there's actually an increased risk when having period sex. So it's important to use a condom, a dam, or gloves when having sex to keep extra safe.
So like any other time in your cycle, you can still get pregnant. Although there is a lower chance, it's still important to use contraceptives like the IUD or pill if you do not want to get pregnant.
So period sex is great because when you're having sex, and especially when you orgasm, you release these endorphins, which can actually help alleviate period cramps. Another reason why period sex is great is because the blood can act as a natural lubricant, but always use water-based lubricant if you're needing some extra. And another fact is that people are often more horny or experience more sexual desire once they're on their period. So that's always great.
Period sex can be messy, so it's important if you want to reduce mess to lay down towels or a splash blanket. You can also try different sex positions, as some may increase blood flow or limit blood flow. Try having shower sex, so that just reduces the cleanup afterwards. So if you're having period sex, you can actually use menstrual products to reduce blood leaks. So if you're having penetrative sex, you can use products such as sponges or discs, as you can't feel them during sex. But if you're having outer course only, you can use just your average tampon or your cup.
Communication is important all month round, so it's important to communicate with your partners what you're into, and that can help create a more enjoyable and fun sex life. Enthusiastic consent is also really important all month round, and no matter what kind of sex you're having, including period sex. If you want to explore period sex with your partner or partners, communicate this. And if they're uncomfortable, that is okay, but we do encourage you to maybe ask why.
It can be important to consider different things when having period sex. So you don't always have to have penetrative sex. It could be outer course, using your fingers or hands.
Or oral sex.
Or oral sex, yeah. And also noting that it could feel a bit different when you're on your period, so trying different positions if certain ones feel too painful, uncomfortable, or even too intense. So communicating what feels good to your partner is always important. Yay!
I thought it was really good, that
Thanks.
take.